So windy outside.
Okay.
Are your sweatpants okay? Sweatpants look great. This one is a bit much. We're doing a beauty shoot. We're gonna be doing some shopping when we get there as well, so go large with the suitcase, but pack light. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Greece. I'm here in Mykonos, and it is the last of the summer holidays for me. Until the next holiday. But for now, I've been soaking it all in. Here, it's much more mellow now. It's September. It's a little bit quieter. I've been going for hikes around the island. I've been doing my workouts and eating healthy. I've been trying to cleanse myself, detox, all that good stuff. So in this vlog, I'm taking you from London to Mykonos. We're gonna meet my friends, and I'm gonna show you an unboxing of some new pieces, some packing tips and tricks. If you like this video, you know what to do. Get a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, come join, and let's get into the video. So guys, meet Rihanna.
Hi guys.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is
You're
Rihanna.
so tall. Oh my gosh, I didn't even
I'm
realize.
tall.
Now my tiptoes. Sorry, it was a bit shaky.
I'm from Canada. I'm 24, and this is my friend Emma.
24 going on a lot older. She's super smart. She's giving me breakup boyfriend advice.
Always. My 24-year-old wisdom.
Yes, you're very mature and you know exactly what you want. It's not what I knew at 24. I thought we'd do the little try on a bit different. I'm gonna try on the new looks, and Rihanna's going to give them a rating and tell me what she thinks. So
I'm gonna be very harsh.
Harsh, unfiltered, raw, give it to This one is a bit much. Ooh! Jenna.
Oh gosh, if I was a guy, can I touch this?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's comfy, no?
It is. If only I felt comfortable in it. Just can't wear underwear with it.
No, you can't wear underwear with that. That's fine.
I think it's like
got some cleavage for sure. Cute, or if it's like
really
borderline
slutty.
too much. I'm gonna give this dress a 7.5, but it has potential to be.
It has potential. I wouldn't say it's like a classy look, but it's like a cool, trendy, sexy vibe.
Yes.
Let's start with the pieces from Net-a-Porter. This is special, and I've had my eye on it for a while. From Mykonos, I got this little wrap. I love a wrap. This one was sold out in a small, so I got a medium. But I thought if it's a wrap around, it's gonna be fine. So I really love this, and it's this like black netting, and then has this beautiful kind of gradation of color into lilac. I had a matching swimsuit, but the swimsuit was sold out my size. I love tassels, especially in Greece. A lot of tassels and kimonos. If you have a cover up that's really nicely coordinated, or something that just finishes off the look, it makes it so much more fashion, so much more stylish. I showed you in my last video, I had a Hunza G lilac color dress. Well, I loved it so much, I thought it was so cute. I got it in a white.
I didn't know Hunza G.
They do now.
Wow. Okay, I like it. It's very flattering. Gold accent.
Mm-hmm.
I like. I'm gonna give this one 8.
An 8 out of 10. And the little sarong from Mykonos.
That one, an 8.5.
An 8.5. Keep or return?
Keep.
Okay. It's a win. And the next thing to show you is from Dolce & Gabbana. It's this really cute Bardot top. It's cropped, and I just really like how it's sheer here, and I think with some high-waisted black trousers, maybe a blazer over the top, it will look really elegant. I think corsets are making a real comeback, and even with white trousers, white denim jeans, if you want to make it like a little bit more off-duty, looks really cool. When are you trying on your outfits? Or are you just going to wear a bikini? I think that we need to complete Rihanna's look. I love it. Catwalk. With your underwear there. Oh shit. Ah, yes. Okay, the Tom Ford shorts. I know I should be shopping for fall outfits, but I'm planning on a few more trips in some sunshine, let's put it that way, so I'm sure that I'll wear them again, and I think they're a really cool piece. You could wear this with like a bikini or a swimsuit, or you could style this in the evening with a shirt and some heels.
Okay. Yeah, what can you actually buy from Tom Ford that's £100?
Yeah. Nothing. Yeah, kind of sporty.
Like it.
Jean t-shirt. What do we give this one?
I think I'm gonna give this one
A 9.
I
Oh,
love those shirts. I want those.
You
The
should-
glasses.
Yeah, the
I
whole
like
look,
the
yeah.
vibe here.
we like the vibe. All the looks for Mykonos.
Approved.
Where are we going? We're going to Scorpios this evening.
We're going to Scorpios.
I might even wear this. That is the unboxing. Now I want to give you a few tips and tricks on how I pack. I get so many questions on how you pack, Emma. How do you go from place to place? How do you make it seamless and effortless? Well, first of all, truth be told, it's not seamless or effortless. And I do think that packing is something that we always dread. I personally dread it. I'm like, oh, if I have to pack, oh. I'm always looking for hacks to make my packing easier and more efficient. So I'm going to share with you my top ones. Okay, the first hack is to pack everything in cubes. So you can find cubes on Amazon like this one. Tumi also do some really good ones, but it makes everything so much easier when you are looking for things. So for example, a cube for my swimwear, a cube for my underwear, a cube for my socks, and I buy different sizes. This one is netted at the front so you can see what's inside. The next thing to mention, which I think makes life so much easier, I have a toiletries bag that I never unpack, that is just for traveling. So in this cube, for example, are all of my little mini toiletries. I buy everything in minis. I go onto booths.com and I will just buy all of the things that I need: shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, cleanser, toner, all in miniature version, and just leave them in my bag ready to go when I need them. You can buy them at the airport, but I think buying ahead of time means that you're not stuffing them into your handbag and like trying to take them through to the airport. You just have them packed in your main luggage and it's all there ready to go. The next tip is that I would often think, oh, I just got these new shoes, but I don't want to take them away on holiday because they'll get ruined in my bag and stuffed in my suitcase and they'll lose their shape. When I am traveling with a special pair of shoes, I like to keep them in their box. So I'll take maybe one pair of special shoes. When I say special, you'll see what I mean. For example, these match and match shoes, which I haven't actually worn yet, but I showed them in my last video. If I was just to pack these in my suitcase in a dust bag, they were gonna get crushed, they might get damaged, the little crystals might come off. So I pack these in a box. For shoes that I don't want to put in a box, I will make sure I stuff them, because when you stuff them, they're less likely to get damaged or crushed, and they'll keep their shape. For example, these little Laura Piana summer walkers, if you stuff them, it keeps their shape and it really works. Also, I make sure to fold everything in the rule of 3. That just makes everything look so pristine and make sure there's less ironing and steaming to do when I actually get to my destination. That really helps. It also means that you can fit more into the suitcase. I did actually at one point travel with everything on hangers, put that into the suitcase, but I ended up taking so many suitcases to fashion weeks when I would travel. And yes, it would make my life easier because when I arrived, I could just put it straight into the wardrobe. But unless you're flying private on a jet, it's a bit tricky. You have to take a lot of suitcases and it just takes up space. Also, when I'm traveling, because of the nature of my work, it means I'm bringing cameras, chargers, tripods, hard drives, laptop, converters, adapters, SD card holders, you know, it's a bit of a minefield. So what I do is I make sure I have a bag just for my electricals, everything really organized. Also bought those on Amazon. That takes a lot of the stress out of packing when things are just there, ready to go, and everything has a home and you can find things easily. Also, I definitely minimized my packing. I used to pack a lot. I used to carry with like 2 suitcases, and now I'm just like, it's not necessary. I need 1 pair of good heels. I need a couple pairs of sandals and trainers, and I'm good. I think that we tend to really overpack because we leave things to the last minute, but if you pack a day in advance, which I now do, I am so much more selective of what I bring with me, and I plan my outfits in advance. I plan my looks for the day and evening, and I realize that I need so much less than what I pack. So just downsize, simplify your life, simplify your packing as much as possible, and yeah, take less. Also, girl, we're gonna be doing some shopping when we get there as well, so need to make some space. Go large with the suitcase, but pack light. That's it for today's video, and I would love to know what you think. Did you enjoy the vlog? What would you like to see next on this channel? What were your favorite things from the haul? Let me know in the comments below. Let's have a little chat and hang out there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!